Good morning, traders. Welcome to StockCast. My name is Todd Derby, along with my host, James Mason. He really is there. Good morning, James. How you doing today?
Todd, good morning. I'm doing all right. How are you?
Good. I like your new StockCast logo. It looks good like that.
Yeah, I need to adjust it. It's a little off-centered right now when I did the cropping on the back end.
You didn't have our IT guy take care of that for you?
I am the IT guy right here, right now, at this moment.
All right, so let's talk about the elephant in the room. We talked about 2 o'clock yesterday come around. We waited for it anxiously. You were short. You're off your numbers by 25%. If you're a baseball player, you'd be making millions of dollars.
Damn straight.
Actually, if you're a day trader and you're 75% right, you can make a lot of money also.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So, but the number was spot on to what the media and what they were reporting. And the market runs up.
Which is freaking stupid because this morning we were followed up with the GDP numbers and it showed a contraction in the market of 0.9%, almost a full-blown percent in the economy retracting, and the market goes bullish.
Can't explain it. It's frustrating, but I do know this, that the crystal ball that you're working with that we haven't released to the public yet, those numbers have been spot on all along. What we haven't known is the exact timeline. So, like right now, I've increased my SPY position yesterday, and my average is around 393. Now my average is now 397.21. You have to be able to stand bearing, looking at a little red in your account, and let it do its thing.
Yeah, it'd be a lot easier if I wasn't trading damn options. That's for sure.
True.
If POAI didn't have my main account tied up in the shit show, I probably would be trading shares right now, being that I would have the funds. I mean, I obviously have the funds to trade shares now, but with how I like to trade with leverage, that's why I want to trade options. But I want to win. That's all I want to do is freaking win. You know,
I want to win big. I want to win big.
I know. It just it irks me because, I mean, I can show you my chart right now. It irks me because this should not even be a freaking thing going on right now. Almost a full point contraction in the economy. This should not even, like, even if it just like tumbles over and just falls out of the bottom, this should not even have happened right here. It should have been inverted and it should just be going over a cliff, dying. And it just doesn't make any sense. Now, the wells, they haven't budged. They're still, let me take a peek again. They're still a little over 900 million short right now. So they're pretty serious about this. Like, I wish I could just like pop up in their office and be like, hey guys, my name is James Mason. I'm the guy who's peeking into your accounts. I want to know what y'all are thinking right now, you know? But obviously for multiple reasons, I can't do that.
Well, for one, you probably can't get in.
No, I couldn't. Two, if I said it like that, they would be like, what? You can see your stuff? Like, yes.
Security.
Yeah. But I wish I knew like what they were thinking. I wish I knew like okay, you guys are holding over 900 million short here. You've been short for a little while. You've been playing in between the lines, adding and then covering. So they're definitely profitable. The other day when the market dropped, when it hit 400, not the first time, but the other day, like a couple days ago, they nailed it. spot on, and then they covered hardcore, and that made up for everything that they had to endure for like last 2-3 weeks. But they're still holding short over 900 million, which tells me they still feel everything is just going to come tumbling down. I just wish that I knew like what their thoughts were. Like, not if they're worried. I can tell you right now they're not worried because they still have over 900 million short and they haven't budged. Yesterday's FOMC meeting, they did not budge. Like, they were not concerned by it.
They added yesterday.
Yes. Yeah.
Almost 100 million.
And so I just wish I could just ask him, like, what is it that you guys know? Like, what are you waiting on here? What do you know for you to still be so confident? And you see this shit happen. Like, do you guys not feel like this is not bullshit? You know, like the economy almost contracted a full freaking percent. We just had a rate hike increase the day before. Like, what do we have to do? Execute somebody in the middle of Wall Street for everybody to wake up and open their eyes? I mean, that's just the crazy shit that irks me. And really, it's a lot of what motivates me to just uncover all of it. I mean, that's
now when you say uncover it, now you're starting to talk about the fraud and manipulation, and we
uncover it not to expose them and get them in trouble. They can do what they want to do because they would never get in trouble.
Right.
Uncover it so I can benefit from it. That's it.
Okay.
So I can see and invite myself to the party. You know, it's like you get dirt on somebody, and if they have access to shit, then you have access to shit.
That is true. That is true. Well, welcome to the club, sir.
Yeah, exactly. Bill Luckman, take his jacket for him. That's Warren Buffett speaking. Oh man.
Yeah, so my only focus today, I put in the newsletter is SPY. I just want to I fully expect it to do some type of something stupid, and I expect it to go stupid down. So I want that's where my focus is going to be, to focus on that today.
Yeah, I mean, I have no choice but to watch it. You know, I don't want to tempt it and say how much higher can it go, you know. Right. But at the same time, like I still feel confident about it because I'm watching the Wells, and the Wells don't stay in business because they lose. That's for damn sure.
And they haven't lost yet. I mean, even
no.
they've even covered, and I'm sure, like I told you, my position where I'm at, I bet they're even at a better position than where I'm at. So they're going to win when it takes a 2-3 point drop. They're going to be solid in the money.
Yeah. When really those 2 or 3 point drops, like those are not win. Like when I say, oh, they won here, they won there, it ain't. I'm not calculating 2 or 3 point drops. That's irrelevant to me. I'm talking about like 10, 20, 30 point drops, moves in the freaking market. Those are the wins. And I'm just wondering, like, what's going on here? Like, even let me just take a peek again. I want to see what they're doing. I mean, they haven't really budged. Like, I mean, they added 111,000 short, which is
right.
Peanuts. They'll spend that much a month in toilet paper at their firms, across all their branches a month. Like, that's nothing. I mean, I've said it before. It's manipulation, but man, it aggravates the hell out of me. I mean, again, later on today, I mean, we could look back at this and this thing could just have went over the cliff and everybody's screaming at the top of their lungs, but like I'll still be bitching about this right here. Like this just should not. This I know the market don't give a shit about your feelings. I've always said that, but this right here, I mean, this just should not happen.
Well, that also could be. We know that they manipulate the market. Those two green candles that are in your chart right now, those could be shakeout moves. They could literally be moves that would that shake us out or shake people out and they cut their losses, and then it goes over the cliff and they miss out. We know they do. Market makers do this all the time.
Yeah, just pisses me off. Now I wouldn't be surprised at the bell if it just doesn't go to crap. I mean, just based off of this setup, looking at it, because it shouldn't even be up here to begin with. But I mean, we'll see what happens. Michael, to answer your question, could the issue right now be tech earnings today holding this up? I honestly haven't looked into any of the tech earnings. I mean, it's possible. Like well, I mean, I don't even know about that. I mean, I'm kind of wishy-washy on that, to be honest. It could be due to like my biasness, you know. So, it's really hard for me to say, just because I do know I'm biased on that right now. But I really haven't kept up with earnings so far this season. I mean, I've looked back on some of them, and really, like the same is true when looking at the data for the eye. In terms of if they feel serious about something going in a certain direction, you know, for all those equity positions, like I said, if they're 50 million, if they have 50 million in that trade, they're serious about it. 50 million or more. For like the SPX, it's a billion plus when they're like extremely serious about it. The same is true for if they're going into earnings. So like anything under like 50 million, they ain't too damn serious about it. So I don't even consider those. That's just kind of them having a foot, you know, their toes dipped into the water, but not fully committing. If it goes in their favor, cool. But if they had like 10 million in it, no big deal. It's just 10 million damn dollars. That's really how they view it. So yeah, like I really just don't want to speak from a level of biasness right now. But at the same time, I do want to say that I feel pretty good that the market would drop here at the bell. I don't know. Todd, what are your opinions without me like influencing you?
Yeah, so we've seen the market do some crazy things over the last months. So it could drop at the bell. It could drop at 10:30. Sometimes the market has a reversal at 10:30.
God, I know all this.
No. But my point is that, like, I trust that your data is accurate. I trust that we're going to see a drop in the market, but I don't know what time it's going to drop. And if I did, I wouldn't be on this freaking show yapping up with you.
That is true.
So, I mean, we would be cashing bigger checks. So sometimes you just have to let them do their thing, let them run their manipulation, and you patiently wait and cash in when the opportunity presents itself. But I do know this: I don't get to cash a ticket unless I buy a ticket.
Yeah.
So right now I've got tickets in the game, and I'm waiting for it. And right now I'm upside down over 4 points on my average position, but I'm not sweating it at all. I don't like it. I'm not happy that the market has a negative GDP. We actually might be officially in a recession now. We might, by definition, be officially into a recession, and the market bounces up. But we'll see. I think we're going to see a reversal, if not today, tomorrow, before the weekend. I truly believe that.
Yeah, well, I want the SPY to hit 370 by the close of the bell today. I know that's an impossible order, but that's what I want, Todd.
Okay. Hang on, let me make a phone call here.
If
Hey,
the,
hey, Wall Street, I have a special favor request.
if um if the market would do that, it's not because I knew anything, but if the market would do something radical like that, ooh, for the SPY to go down 30 points in a day, man, full blown market
Yeah.
crash.
Yeah, if it went down 30 points today, it'd be
Yeah, they would write history about today.
yeah, yeah, sure would. But I'm not worried about it. And we're 10 minutes to the market, so with that, I think we're going to watch it and let us do its thing, and we're going to be ready for when it does.
Yeah, and if it keeps going up, man, I don't even know. Now, I saw them right before we started the show, started trying to push the whole President Biden is starting to talk to China about the tariffs, all that BS on the phone call. I guess they started the phone call at like 8:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Okay.
But like, you mean to tell me like the market would choose that as holding more significance than the freaking rate increase and also our economy contracting? Like, that's just silly.
Yeah.
But man, we shall see. But yeah, other than that, that is all I have today. Like, did have more plans today on what to trade because I expected the market to just be shooting down right now. But with this, I'm just gonna have to stand by and just manage my SPY puts.
I caught Tough Built this morning on its run up this morning and made a little money there.
Nice.
Yeah. So
All right. Well, Todd, that is all I have for today. Do you have anything else?
no, people be careful with your trades. Don't overextend yourself. Don't overcommit yourself. Hopefully you're not over leveraged where you have to make a decision that doesn't benefit you financially. Like I said, I've increased my position, but I'm very comfortable where I'm at. I mean, I'm in the red and I could handle a run, a 10, 15 point run and not destroy me. So just be careful with your decisions and your position sizes today.
Yeah, exactly. So, all right, everybody. Trade safe. Like Todd said, be super careful. The market is not being rational, more so than normal. And other than that, man, we'll see y'all in the next one.